Well, welcome back to Project Swift, Part 4. This was a morning work session. I got out there early one morning, I believe it was a Tuesday, and the project today was to remove the coilover shock units and to remove the lower A-arms and toe links off the Swift and continue to just disassemble the car carefully. Now, since the beginning, since the first part that I took off, I've been keeping a journal. Every time I take a piece off, I make a note in the journal what came off. So when the time comes to get all the way down to the bare frame, which I hope I do, when I get to that point, I'll then just turn around and go in reverse order. In each part it's about to go on next, I'll take the time to inspect it and make sure that it's correct and clean it up or polish it or paint it or plate it or powder coat it or whatever it takes, and hopefully we wind up with a good car.
That's his tombstone, is his tweet to the head for him. But yeah, as a former border governor, I know the importance of securing a border and fixing the system. And as an American, I know that kids shouldn't be pawns while the adults.
And on Facebook, they show the kid running around the cage. It's just a fake little dog pen set. And then they show the kid running around the cameraman.
Now you notice on these close-up shots of the bell housing, it's a little battle weary. There are a lot of welds on this thing, and after I get it cleaned up, and I'm going to compare it because I did get a spare bell housing with this car, which is sort of my ace in the hole here. Just at first glance, they both seem to be, look to be in the same condition. It's good to have two of them because you can't get these things anymore, but no question about it, it has seen some rough times. So I'm going to see if there's ways, after it's been put through the parts cleaner and all that, I'm going to see if there aren't ways to clean up some of those welds and not have them show so dramatically. But no doubt about it, there have been some ground strikes on the bottom of this car, and I have to put some new rub blocks in there and just make sure that doesn't happen anymore. After all, it's a 36-year-old race car, so there's going to be some dings here and there. These scenes that you're looking at now were actually shot in June of 2018. And that pretty much ended the work for almost a year. Life gets in the way, but we've made some progress recently. As I speak to you today, it is, it's July 28th of 2019, and we've made a lot of progress. I'm just getting caught up on the videos, so we'll start cranking those out again. But as I speak right now, the frame is all the way down to the bare frame, and it's been to the sandblaster. And so anyway, we'll bring you up to speed on that. But stick with us. Coming up next will be episode 5, and you'll get an update on as to why things were so slow. Thanks for watching.
I don't know.